So you've just bought your Stealth Equipment all-out stand. Today, we're going to show you how to put it together. So once you've taken everything out of the box, just check you've got everything. What you should have is 2 base sections, a connection piece with a logo, 2 support arms, 2 uprights. You get 4 triangular supports for the bottom and 4 triangular supports for the top. And then you should have 16 bolts, washers and nuts. Then you should have 8 Allen bolts to secure your dumbbell base to the stand. After you've taken everything out of the box and laid it out, what you should have is 2 base sections, 2 upright sections, 2 support arms, a connection brace with the logo on. Then you'll have 4 triangles for the top. These have 3 holes in the middle. And you'll get 4 triangles for the bottom with only a single hole in the middle. You'll also have 110mm bolts and 100mm bolts. On top of that, you'll also have these small Allen bolts for securing the dumbbell base to the stand. Now we're going to get our 2 base parts and our connector part with the logo on. The first section is getting the 2 base sections and the connection piece and lining them up as shown. You'll then get the 4 shorter 100mm M16 bolts and fastened together. Next step, you're going to get your 4 triangular pieces with the single hole and attach them to the base of your stand. To attach these, use the 110mm M16 bolts. Once you've attached all 4 of those plates, it should look like this. Moving on, we're going to add the uprights to our stand. Again, we're going to be using the 110mm M16 bolts for this. At the end of this step, your stand should look like this. The next step is to add the triangular piece with the 3 holes to the top of your uprights using the 110mm M16 bolts. How I've assembled this here, I've used the middle of the 3 holes, but you can use any of the 3 holes to adjust the angle in which your dumbbells sit. The final step to putting your stand together is attaching the top section to the part you've just put together. In this, there are 2 smaller holes and they line up with the 2 smaller holes in your triangle, and they can either be facing forwards for more convenient access to your dumbbell or backwards to make the rack more compact. In this setup, we're going to face it backwards to be more compact. So your finished rack in the compact setup should look like this. All that's left to do is to take your 24mm spanner and make sure all the bolts are tight. To add the threaded inserts into your base, remove the bung from the 4 innermost holes and then take your insert and a 6mm Allen key. Providing constant pressure, just simply turn and push at the same time and thread your insert into the hole. Now you've got the threaded nut in the base, we'll show you how to attach it to the stand. All you're going to do is set your base on the stand, thread it in from the bottom, using your 4mm Allen key, tighten it up. Then you're going to put the other 3 Allen bolts in and your stand should be secured.